Hi everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common GIS problem. It's error 001491. This error says, cannot process above the size limit. It can be frustrating to see this message. But don't worry. We will break it down. We will understand why it happens. More importantly, we will learn how to fix it. Let's get started. So, what exactly is error 001491? Simply put, your GIS software is trying to do something too big. It's like trying to put a giant elephant into a small car. The operation you are running needs more resources than available. Or it's trying to process more data than the tool can handle at once. This limit can be about the sheer file size of your input data. It can be about the number of features, like millions of points or polygons. It can also be about the complexity of your geographic data. For example, a single polygon with thousands of tiny vertices is very complex. Your computer might have limits on its memory or processing power. The GIS software itself might impose certain internal limits on data volume. This error often pops up during demanding geoprocessing tasks. Think about operations like clipping, dissolving, or buffering very large and detailed datasets. Now, let's talk about solutions. There are several effective ways to tackle this issue. First, consider the divide and conquer method. This is often the most effective approach. Instead of processing everything at once, break your data into smaller, manageable pieces. You can clip your large dataset into several smaller regions. Use a grid or administrative boundaries for this purpose. Then, run your geoprocessing operation on each smaller piece separately. After processing all the pieces, you can merge the results back together if needed. Another powerful solution involves simplifying your geometry. If your polygons or lines have too many detailed vertices, they are inherently heavy and complex. Use tools like Simplify Polygon or Simplify Line in your GIS software. This reduces the number of vertices. It makes the data less heavy for processing. However, be careful not to lose important spatial detail that you need. Sometimes, changing your data format can make a big difference. File geodatabases, for instance, often handle large and complex data much better than traditional shapefiles. Consider converting your data to a file geodatabase before processing. If you are primarily working with raster data, you might need to reduce its resolution. Or you could process smaller raster extents at a time. Furthermore, think about using batch processing. This automates the divide and conquer approach. You can build models using Model Builder or write simple Python scripts. These tools allow you to run the same operation on many smaller data pieces automatically. This saves a lot of manual effort and time. Always ensure your data layers have spatial indexes. Spatial indexes significantly speed up queries and processing times, especially with large datasets. Also, always check the specific geoprocessing tool's documentation. Some tools have particular parameters or recommendations for handling very large datasets. Lastly, if you only need summary information, don't process every single feature. Summarize your data first to reduce the overall data volume the tool needs to handle. Remember, the core goal is to reduce the load on your system, or to reduce the complexity of the task at hand. By systematically breaking down the problem, you make it entirely manageable. So, there you have it. Error 001491 is definitely solvable. With these practical tips, you should be able to get your GIS projects moving forward again without hitting that size limit. Thank you so much for watching today. I truly hope this video was helpful for you in solving this common GIS error. If it was, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This really helps us create more useful content like this for you. We genuinely appreciate all your support. See you next time.